What's up, guys? Today I will be talking about the IBM International Business Machines Corporation, the stock. It just mooned last week, couple weeks, and we're gonna talk about the mooning and what happened and what I seen and where I would have got in and things like that. So I mean, overall, right now this is bullish, man. But does not mean we buy at the top. You don't ever buy all-time highs unless if you want to be someone's exit liquidity. But I mean, you can just see. Like, it just mooned, man. Last 6 months. I mean, last couple of years, damn. But anyway, this is what we're trying to talk about, So, everyone's talking about this ish. So we've seen earnings last July, right? You've seen it gap down. Now I'm not the one that will ever predict earnings. I might, gamble and throw some money in a play if it's a high moving stock like this. I would have probably guessed something. But usually, when gaps are created, that's imbalances in the market, man. So, there's areas that the algorithm of the price needs to be traded to, man. And that's up into these gaps, which is this red box right here. And that will rebalance the price. Usually that will always happen. It might not happen here. It might not go up from here. You see how it went down and then it slowly made its way up, man. But I mean, let's get rid of that one. I mean, this is a daddy right here. What I would have done, once it created this range right here, I would have drew my my lines. And when it enters into the discount, which is under 50%, which is under 50% of this range, which means it's halfway, 50% halfway, 50% halfway. Once it enters below there, I would then find it, zoom into a lower time frame and try to find a nice spot to get in. Or if you're a long-term guy, it's a good spot to buy 50% of the range or lower. That means you're entering in the discount. That means you're buying thrift shop prices rather than Gucci prices. You're buying thrift shop prices, not Gucci prices. Thrift shop prices, not Gucci prices. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, what I see here is a big move down. Like, I would have low-key been thinking maybe, but you just gotta read the chart, man. It just depends how you want to trade. Short term might be fucking very bearish, but long term, look at this. Wow, long term. So you can get scared by a little move like this when you got these, Understand, price obviously doesn't go up forever, right? It goes up, down, up, down, up, down. So you just got to get in at the right price. And what I'm trying to teach you is the right price. A very simple way I trade is just off, the simple way I get into positions is just easy range. Find whenever it enters below the blue line, I enter. I don't even gotta find I don't even gotta find my ish. I don't even gotta find like a fair value gap or order block. I do, but you don't have to. That might be too complicated for people. I mean, what is this? Order block? Order block. Look at this order block, man. I mean, it's easy in hindsight, obviously, but hold on. Easy in hindsight, but I mean, you should just know this is a bullish company. You get in here. You've seen the chart in the last 2 years. You know the fuck this isn't going down. I mean, look how big that candle is. It closed above this high. That's bullish. So in hell this shit ain't crashing, bro. Right here's a good time to enter, because you don't know how much higher it will go up before it comes down. All I know is it's very bullish, guys. IBM. Yeah, I would have entered right here. Weekly order block. Boom. When it comes into right here is money. But I mean, if you, that's daily, you know, daily you're getting scared now. You want to go a little week out. There's a weekly order block too. Right there. Right here, man. Anyways, that will do it. Hope you learned something. Like, subscribe. I'm trying to get the Miami, man.